A battle for the throne begins between the Tumtemu brothers, and I'm certain that I'm not the only person who is excited to watch. So, let us talk about that and more on this video. But before going to it, I need to first request you guys to like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. So, enjoy this video. Khulani is refusing to give back the throne to Spamanda, their own Umkhoka the Curse, and this could mean only one thing. Umkhoka is now going to be on fire, and as much as some of you guys were against Khulani being Umkhululi, I know that this is what we all wanted deep down. And I actually wanted it to happen a while back, while Khulani was in Umfundisi and having his own church. So, I for one am really glad that this is finally happening, and I'm so excited. Teasers from Umkhoka tell us that Khulani and Spamanda will battle for the throne of being Umkhululi. Or maybe let me start by giving a brief context for people who don't know what is happening on Umkhoka. So, Spamanda has been away for a while now. He went to Mozambique to assist Nomaf with hair cleansing. So now he comes back from Mozambique on one of the recent episodes of the show. And Khulani is not really happy about this. Pela, Khulani and his Lady Macbeth wife Nomkhosi have plans of taking over the church. And speaking of Nomkhosi, I am so excited with her recent plot, and I think that she's going to kill it. Pela, after the corner sold on those Shakespeare CP1 stories, I think we need a new Macbeth as a country, and I'm certain that Nomkhosi is going to be exactly that. So teasers of Umkhoka tell us that Khulani will make it very clear for Spamanda and the council that he is not stepping down as Umkhululi, since he believes that he was the one chosen by the ancestors to lead the church. So throughout this month of August, we'll be watching this battle taking place. And like all other fans of Umkhoka, I am so excited and I cannot wait to see how this battle is going to end. So ladies and gentlemen, do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.